Hi there, Kyle Barnett, Solution Engineer here at Asset Panda. Today, I'd like to go over SFTP import integration with you. Now, what this integration is going to be utilized for is if you have an SFTP server with some spreadsheets or data in there that you would like to ingest into Asset Panda, you would be able to set up this integration to make sure that we're monitoring that and auto ingesting those spreadsheets as they come in. Now, to go ahead and set this up, you can go ahead and click on that settings and then go to the Manage Integrations. From here, select the integration store, go to find your SFTP import integration. Just to advise you, there are two different SFTP integrations. One is the reports and one is import. For this, you do want to select the import, select the Add button. That's then going to bring that integration into your integrations and modules section. From here, go ahead, select the Configure button, go ahead and input the SFTP host name, the port for that, and then a user that has access to it, both the username and the password for that user. Once you do that and you select the test and save collection, then it's going to go and bring you over to your mapping. From here, go ahead and hit add mapping, give this mapping a name, select the collection that these records are going to go into, and then select that source file that you want to pull that data from. From here, I'm going to find my SFTP import, and I'm going to select my multiple sheets spreadsheet. That's what I want to stay up to date. So I can go ahead and select that multiple sheet sample data, and then I can go ahead and determine, is this import going to create records or is it going to update records? If it's going to create, I select the create options. If it's going to update, I select the update. During the create, we then want to select the sheet that we're pulling this data in if you have multiple sheets. And then we also want to define that column header row. We want to make sure that Asset Panda starts looking at those records at the correct area. So I can go ahead and define which row that is. Once I do that, then I want to configure those columns with those fields in Asset Panda. So I can go ahead and say, hey, my item on D on there is actual that asset ID. And I can start to predefine some of those values in here for the spreadsheet into Asset Panda. Then I can go ahead and hit the save button and I can go ahead and save my mapping. Now, if this is an update, then I want to do the same thing, except I want to select, am I creating a template from this for future imports? If I'm not, it's going to be just more for this mapping. I can leave that as a no template, but I do want to select configure here. From here, I want to make the determination of my check for duplicate, meaning I want to verify which field in Asset Panda am I going to use as that comparison field so that we know the records coming in match that record. You typically want this to be a unique value, say something like your asset ID or your unique ID or your serial number. Once I do that, I can go ahead and define that one. Then I can select which fields or attributes in Asset Panda for these records am I updating from the spreadsheet. So I can say it's going to be my test, maybe my expiration date, my number, and let's say my cost update. I can go ahead and hit save and continue. And now I can go ahead and start to map over those attributes from the spreadsheet over to the columns in Asset Panda. And as you can see for updates, I only need to map over what I'm either updating or what I'm using as that unique attribute. I should have everything now. If I do come across a duplicate, it will go ahead and tell me. From here, I can save and I can continue on. Now that my mapping has been saved, then I want to go ahead and set up that automation so that, again, we can monitor and watch. So I can say SFTP import is going to be the name for this automation. I can go ahead and save that. And now I can determine that interval that I want Asset Panda to look at that spreadsheet from that mapping. And so I can say, hey, I want to look at that maybe hourly. Maybe I want to look at that daily, maybe weekly. I can also set up different intervals of that or different periods of that. So I can say, instead of just every week, I want it to be every other week or every 4 weeks. Maybe I want it to be daily, but I want it to be every 3 days. So we're not yet at that week mark, but we're not also looking at it daily. So once you set that up, then you want to go ahead and select that save button, create that automation. Now that that automation is created, and you do want to verify that that automation is turned on or is active by toggling it on. Once it's toggled on, then Asset Panda is going to look at that spreadsheet or in that folder and bring in our auto ingest that data every time we check it. So again, if you do have any questions about the SFTP import integration, or if you would like to go ahead and test it, please feel free to click on the link below or reach out to a representative here at Asset Panda. We'd be happy to help. Thank you so much. We look forward to helping you.